Hey awesome people, in this video I want to go through 10 words that I believe should be on your CV. This will help make your CV stand out by demonstrating your suitability for the role that you're applying for. Super quickly, if you haven't seen this video about adding metrics so you can quantify data on your CV, then make sure you head over and watch that video. If you're new here, my name's Sav and I'm a tech recruiter and I make videos about career advice, job searching tips, CV advice, just helping you be career savvy. I'm supplying you with loads of free content on my Instagram, on my TikTok, so head over there and yeah, check them out. Also, I want to say a big shout out to my cousin Bandana. She's got some really cool drip she's dropping and supplying, and she even custom made this jumper. Like, it is so comfy. It's a lifesaver. Christmas is coming up, Diwali's coming up, and you know what? It's cold, especially when I'm working from home. It's cold at home. So yeah, shout out to Bandana. You're actually killing it in the game, making some wicked drip, and yeah, honestly forever grateful for you actually supplying me this. Thank you so much. The material is actually high quality and the logo is bussin', so yeah, thank you so much. Make sure you head over to her Instagram. I'll put her link in my description and her website. Head over and yeah, check out the merch that she's supplying. It's really cool. Okay, let's get into it. 10 words that you need to add on your CV. The first word being resolved. Employers want someone who can resolve conflict and understand and solve problems. If you're either applying for a managerial role, leadership position, or even a customer service role, you will be faced with conflict on a regular basis. So understanding how you actually can resolve that conflict, it's a win-win. This is what employers want to hear. So make sure you have resolved in your resume. Okay, my next word is spearheaded or orchestrated. I absolutely love this word. Spearheaded is one of my favorite words. So if you don't know what this word means, it's basically the same way of saying leading or being the driving force of a particular action. So if you recently led a marketing campaign, why don't you say you spearheaded or orchestrated a new marketing campaign which resulted in an increase in profits by 20%. This word shows how you took lead and you're not just a participant. Alright, my next word is actually quickly. If you do a lot of repetitive tasks, then adding quickly can literally make a difference in terms of you actually doing that repetitive task over and over again, but you're improving the speed of getting that task done. So you're getting faster at doing these tasks by doing it quickly, but make sure while you're doing it faster
that the quality is not slipping.
It's not dropping. What's the point in doing something half the time if the quality isn't there? So you want to say how you made this certain task go faster or process run faster, but the quality wasn't affected. My next word is launched. This is an action word that demonstrates how you could complete a project. So maybe you launched a new website or an app or a process. This is a great word telling them that you're kickstarting something. Alright, my next word is won. It's a brilliant word to demonstrate how you're successful. Use this word when you're proud of winning a new client, project, or even award. Proactively. This is a brilliant adjective to demonstrate that you're able to do a task without being told to do it by just using your initiative. Managers are always looking for proactive candidates when they're interviewing. This is literally gold dust to them because it shows to them that you don't have to be micromanaged in order to do a task. Okay, if you're reading your CV and you see the word improved and you feel like you're using that word a lot and it's being overused, instead of saying improved, then why don't you say streamlined? Streamlined is great because if you streamline an approach or a process, then you're actually improving it over time and you can demonstrate how you streamlined it. If you streamline something, then that means you're making it more simpler. If you make it more simpler, that means it's more effective and efficient. Created. This is an action word that can actually show to them that you can do more than just following instructions. You can think outside the box and actually build something from scratch. So maybe you created a new sales technique, created a new onboarding process, created a new incident report management system. Created is probably one of my favorite words alongside spearheaded. Okay, my next word is redesigned. This is a little bit different to created because you're not building something from scratch, but you're seeing an old process or you're seeing something that was already in place and you're just mending it a little bit because it might be broken, or you're just improving it, or you're changing the way it's done so it can work in a different way. Using this word will demonstrate problem solving skills as well as the ability to think creatively to reduce process inefficiencies. You can redesign a process, product, performance plan, anything. you can redesign a lot. So these are my 10 phrases. If you have any of these phrases on your resume already, honestly, well done. That's awesome. Your CV is probably... Why did you watch this video then? I'm sorry if I wasted your time. But if you didn't know these phrases, then yeah, definitely add these phrases to your resume and you'll see how you're actually driving that impact in a different way. Comment down below if you didn't know any of these phrases and you're going to start using these phrases. I'd really appreciate it if you can drop a like on this video. It really helps me out. And yeah, subscribe for weekly videos helping you be career savvy. Good luck and peace. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, if you're reading your CV and you see the word improved a lot and you feel like you're overusing it, why don't you use what am I saying? Not spearheaded. If you streamline